This is what all the hot water goes.
We're underneath the cafeteria right now.
Wow.
So this has filters in it, and see these pipes here? Hot water goes in that one pipe. Some of these wires aren't used anymore. A lot of this wire over here, Western Electric, is telephone stuff.
Oh wow, don't touch.
This wire right here, in this orange tube, this is fiber optic. This comes into the computer system. This is part of the computer system. AT&T is
No, I can't. Yeah. Move your fingers. I did.
It just goes straight down the third grade hall, but then the pipes go up through the ceiling to go to the library. There's no tunnel under
the newer wing.
In the newer wing that was built in the 90s. And the one down to the gym B, the Bobcat gym, there's no tunnel going down that through the ceiling.
So there are no tunnels running through to the gym at all. Mr. Mike said there's an
Oh, they just go above
there are
them?
wires and tubes.
They go up through the walls.
Oh, they go through the walls so they don't go under them?
Yeah.
Okay, so no...
And Mr. Mark, what are all these wires above our heads?
Those are just wires that run out to classrooms and they run out.
That's like the computer stuff.
Yeah. Right now we're under the hallway. You know, this is that door. See this square here? This is where that fresh air goes into the boiler room. So this is the boiler room, and now we're about right here.
Oh wow.
We're right here at the end of. And then this part and this part were built in 1994. There's no tunnels here. But if you go straight down this tunnel, it goes all the way down here. And then, see this right here? This little square? That's a trap door too. There's a trap door.
It doesn't say there's a trap door in this. There's like a trap door.
Yeah, they don't have it on that map.
So you have a code red in.
Yeah.
They have code red. Is there
It smells like So this is what it's like down here. This is where all the water and stuff comes down. This is what it's like down in the boiler room.
Part of an old key. Part of an old.
It'd be like 45.
Or,
like 45,000. No. Watch out for this pit. Is this the door we came to? Yeah, I know where the lights are for this. Here. You have to start talking. Okay, go look inside. This is there's a trap door in one of the rooms. No, we don't need to shoot on that stuff. That's not part of it. I know. Stop videotaping.
This is, every heater in the school has it.
Oh wait, that wasn't.
Microscopic.
Water boiling takes about 212 degrees.
So it's a really good filter.
There's the tunnels. We're making a water and energy video.
3 times a year.
We're just decided to. And
this
is Harry Potter's cupboard. Where you people going? We're videotaping.